Hey everyone, and welcome back to this Wikipedia. Today we're back in the Festi Ford. We're going to have a look at the gear shift linkages, mainly the bushings, because when it's actually in gear there is a hell of a lot of play in the lever. So we're going to take a look at the bushings, check that out. So if you've got this sort of issue in your manual car, it may be worth having a look. So we'll get the car jacked up and take a look underneath. Okay, so here we are under the Festi, and this is our gear shift linkage right here at the front. So you can see there's a whole lot of play. Whole lot of play in that. And there's another one further back. If we can get back down there. So there's another one back here where the gear shift lever comes out through the cabin. And as you can see, plenty of play there too. So it looks like they're just 12mm bolts. There is also this one here, which actually isn't possible to get out without cutting it out. So I'm not even going to bother with that one. It doesn't feel quite as bad as the other two. Let the boots come off. Anyway, we'll fix that up once we finish with this. Let's begin. Alright, so I've just loosened this bolt. I've left the nut on because it just needs to be tapped up. Loosen that a bit more. It's always a good idea to leave the nut on when you're doing this thing so you don't damage the threads on the bolts. A new nut is always a lot easier to replace. Alright. It's a bit cracked. It's split around the outside. Let's look at the top one. Oh, yeah, that's just falling apart. It's going to be a bastard to get out now. I should be able to put something through. There it goes. Somewhere. This is the top one. I don't know if you can see, but the whole part around the outside is just shorn off. I'll just get our new one for comparison. Alright, so this is one of the new ones here. And you can see that's the old one that was on the bottom. And that's the old one that was up top. So it's completely missing this outer part. Just clean this up a little while we're in here. Let's put our new bushings in. Grease them up a bit. just have to tighten this up first, just a bit. Just to get those bushings to go compressed down. Tighten that back up. And they're only 12 mils, so they're not going to be super tight. They still need to be able to move around a little bit, so they don't go too crazy. Alright, that's about it. So, as you can hopefully see, it's quite solid now. So the back and forward play is pretty much gone, but there's still some side to side play. So we'll move down to the other set. Yeah, that's all over the place. So we'll get this out and hopefully that'll sort it out. Slowly but surely. Well, there's part of one. I'm not even sure if the rest of it's in there. And so I think that is literally all that is left. The rest of it seems to have disintegrated. Okay. Our new one's in. change. Fuck off, I don't want you on there. I know. You tight bastard. Alright. Seems pretty solid. Let's go test it out. Whew. Always a thrill. I do actually own gloves. Just always forget to wear them until it's too late. It's ridiculous. That feels way stiffer. That's what she said. Alright, so that's in first. There's a tiny bit of play, but none more than you'd expect. Definitely he can't move it, 10 centimeters each way. So that's it. That's gear shift linkage bushings done and dusted. Obviously, if you don't have the same car, if you've got one of similar age, it's probably going to be mostly the same procedure. Never know until you try. Once again, thanks for watching this Wikipedia. If this has helped you out, be sure to hit the like button. You can subscribe for future episodes. Be sure to hit that notification bell so you know when they come up. And see you later. Oh God.